Today we're talking about beautiful, high quality jewelry without the high quality price. So if that's something that you might be interested in, you know the drill. Let's get right into it. So I'm Mona, this is About Face with Mona. This is the channel geared towards everything for the mature woman. We talk about beauty, we talk about skincare, we talk about lifestyle products. And today I'm really excited to be partnering with ITALO Jewelry. They have sent me 3 pieces of the most beautiful jewelry. This is definitely the most exciting products that I've received since I became a content creator on YouTube about a year ago. These are so pretty. I'm going to stop saying that. I'm going to let the quality of the pieces speak for themselves. So let's look at them. So ladies, if you're like me, you like beautiful packaging. Look at this. Being a mom to 3 boys, being in a household for most of my adult life with 4 men, getting girly stuff is always fun. I don't think there's any woman in your life or yourself who wouldn't enjoy receiving this as a gift. It's just so pretty. Look at the details inside. Get this beautiful little muslin bag with the ITALO logo. So inside each box, you get your silver polishing cloth. I'm showing you what's in the box just to show you that the quality of what you're getting here is exactly the kind of quality that you get when you buy really expensive jewelry from your local jeweler. The only thing missing is that high price. So inside the box you also get instructions on how to take care of your jewelry. And for each piece that you purchase, you also get a certification just like you'd get for your high quality diamonds in the store. This is an example of the certification card. So I'm showing you that just to say that they stand by what they give you. You actually have a 60-day period of time that you can return any product if you're not satisfied, and they give you a 1-year warranty. So this isn't just your average run-of-the-mill jewelry. It's high quality through and through. And I'm really enjoying my pieces. So let's look at the boxes. Isn't that pretty? What's inside is really what's beautiful. This is one of their tennis bracelets. Look at that shine, the way it catches the light. This is a custom made piece. You get to select which cuts of stone you want to be on the bracelet. So you have your heart shapes, you have your pear shapes, you have oval shapes, you have round shapes, you have princess cut. And you can choose the order that you put them in. Let's put this on. I really like this piece. I've always wanted a tennis bracelet, but I've never had one. This one is absolutely stunning. Okay, so let's look at the rest of it. This is an eternity band set. It's a stackable set. It's mixed with gold look and platinum look. And I wanted this piece because I have a yellow gold wedding set that my husband gave me when we got married. And of course that has a lot of sentimental value, but it's not on trend anymore. So I was kind of interested in something on my other hand that would match the yellow gold that I have on this set for my husband, but that would also bring in a little bit of a modern twist. And I think that this stackable ring set does just that. Isn't that pretty? So each of the 3 rings are separate. And they stack, giving me that yellow gold, giving me that twist design, giving me the platinum look, so that it matches what I already have, and yet it's on trend. And if I want to bring in additional pieces of more platinum or silver jewelry, that sort of gives me the look to combine with the two. 2 pieces together. Now the last piece that they let me pick, I chose a necklace. This is their sunflower design. And I know that you've seen similar pieces at your local jewelers because this is a very popular look. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see it up close. So I think the beauty of the pieces speak for themselves. So I'm very excited to have these pieces. So I think these pieces are beautiful. The prices on these are pretty affordable. We talked about that. So they range in price from about $70 a piece, depending on what you choose, to about $250 a piece. They have engagement rings, they have wedding bands, they have wedding sets, they have jewelry for men and for women, they have customizable jewelry, they have personalized jewelry, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, sets, you name it, they have it. I'm going to show you some of the pictures. And right now they're nice enough to offer a coupon code for 20% off of any item that you might choose with the coupon code MONA20. How exciting is that? And I don't make anything if you purchase the jewelry. This is just a coupon code for you. We're going to scroll through some of their pieces from their website so that you can see some of the variety that they have. Each piece is individually handcrafted for you. They are beautiful. They come in white gold, yellow gold, rose gold. They have a variety of gemstones. They have a lot of white sapphire. They have high quality cubic zirconias as well. But all of the metals and all of the stones that they use are very high quality, and obviously I was telling you they stick by their word on these. You have 60 days to decide if you actually like it or not. Look at the detail on each piece. And they do give you that year warranty. I guess I'm saying all that to say this is a very high quality company, and they stand by their work. I think they're very proud of what they do for good reason. Look at these. They have very unique styles, and then they have very classic styles as well. They have, look at this, personalized items. So they have what's classic, they have what's on trend. So I think you'll agree that they really have some beautiful pieces. Thank you ITALO Jewelry for gifting me these and for the 20% discount. Also, just want to let you know, since I do have a lot of viewers that come from all over the world, that this shipping is free worldwide. So this is not just a deal for my US viewers, that this is a deal for everybody. You can use the code MONA20 and get 20% off, and you can get your shipping free worldwide no matter where you are. So I'm really excited to have all of these pieces in my collection. I think they're all beautiful. I think the quality is really incredible, especially for the price point. I think these would make a beautiful gift for somebody in your life or for yourself. I promise you there's something for everyone. And I encourage you to go to the site and take a look and see what you might like for yourself. And I hope you enjoyed looking at them. Hope you all are doing good and that your week is going well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and live like Mel.